Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and we have a very large box here that needs to be unboxed. This is a watch I purchased from Bobby Legs, and also I'm pretty sure that there is a tour watch in here. So need to get this opened and check out the tour watch and ship it on to the next guy in the tour. So let me just open it up off screen here since it's a large box. Not very easy to open this one on camera here. All right, so this is the watch I purchased from Bobby Legs. Open that up in a moment, and let me get the next box out of here. Packaged really well. So it's a box within a box. So that's why it was in a big box, because this is actually a pretty good sized box. It's a visitor watch. So let me open this thing up. Yeah, let me pause it and I'll get this one out of the box. Okay, so it's another box within a box within a box. Sorry about that. All right, so this is obviously a visitor watch. I've never handled one of these before, so I'm excited to get this out of the box. I really hope that's not too loud for you. Oh yes, it has this neat little case. Okay, let's throw that stuff to the side. Never seen a watch case like this before. So let's get this open. Nice little travel case here. Oh, very cool. So you have two different straps that this one came with, and this visitor watch here. Wow, this looks very nicely done. That dial is very dark and black. Get lost in this dial for sure. You know, I've seen videos of these. I've seen videos of this from Random Rob, Bruce Williams, and you really don't appreciate how this thing looks until you have it in hand. It looks really well done. I don't even have it off the roll yet. It is uniquely styled. It's a unique looking case. The handset is unique. Even the indices. I don't think I've seen another watch like this. Okay, so it's not a screw down crown. I'm winding it right now. There we go. I don't know about the case shape on this. It's kind of, and how it swoops in and out like that. It's a little bit different. Well, it is a lot different. Just, I don't know if I would get used to that. Very nicely polished here. And then brushed on the case side here. Now look at that movement. Very nice. I definitely appreciate a decorated movement. Looks like the visitor logo there. Yeah, there's the name of the watch, the Linden. Visitor Watch Co. So I'll have to look up this watch and see what the specs are on this. I can't really tell what movement this is just by looking at it. Maybe it's a ETA. So yeah, very cool. Let me get this on wrist and then we'll open the other box. That dial is just so black. You can get lost in that dial. Unique handset as well. Oh yeah, let's get this on wrist. Kind of reminds me of a chess set, or I don't know what that handset reminds me of. Zoom back out a little bit. Maybe a little bit too big for my wrist. Maybe it's 42 if I had to guess. So let me know what you think of this Visitor watch. Be doing the review on this one next. Set this off to the side for now. And this watch I purchased. Very nice. I've always wanted a Datejust. It's just out of my comfort level of spending on one watch. So this may be the closest I get for a while. I do like the Jubilee bracelet. Fluted bezel. I don't know. I'm mixed on that. For the Rolex Datejust, I like it. In the other watch, I don't know. Let's get this off of the pillow here. Actually, I guess I'm not, well, really not supposed to call it a Jubilee bracelet. I guess Rolex has trademarked the Jubilee name and also the oyster, but yeah, it's a Jubilee bracelet. I can guarantee you that it's not called the Jubilee bracelet on the Long Island website, though. Yeah, this thing's really nicely done. It has the, I'm 95% sure it has the Miyota 9015 movement. Screw down crown is signed with the Long Island watch logo. Circle logo on a circle crown. You have to be a little careful with that because if it's not perfectly centered, your eye will pick that up. It looks pretty good though. Crown is a good size too. I'd say probably at least 7mm. Hand winding. This should be in the date set position. Yep. And then time setting, so it's hacking. The second hand has stopped. That thing moves around butter smooth. Okay, let's get this one on wrist and we'll close out the video. Probably gone a little bit too long for a watch unboxing video. Oh yeah, look at this movement. Display case back, very nicely done. Even if the movement's not decorated, I still like to take a look at them. Yep, 9015 sapphire, 100-meter water resistant. So this would be great for everyday wear. A little bit too dressy for me to wear every day, but I definitely wanted to get this in and check it out. So let me know what you think of this watch. I do believe it's $39, but we'll go into the full specs in the full review. So if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like the video if you liked it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of either of these watches. This thing is like new. Bobby Lakes treated this very nicely. I like this little bit of detail on the case here too. It's not quite an oyster case. It kind of looks like an oyster case, but it has this little double step here, kind of like Christopher Ward. I don't have one handy, but all right, I think I'll do it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.